Okay, let's try this question here where it says a box is made from a rectangular piece of cardboard, and they've laid it out here. You can see there's the bottom of the box, there's the sides, and there's the top. And they've given us letters for these things here. They've told us that this is a length and this is h, the height. They've kind of told us that. We're saying this is one length, the base. This is the base here. It's got to be the same up here as it folds over. You have to kind of imagine that. The first question, let's try it now. Oh, they tell us that this is 40 by 100, which means it's 40 on this side and 100 on this side. That's sort of good it's because it's a rectangle. Express the length in terms of the height. The length is 40. And, oh, sorry, this length here. But this whole side here is 40. So it looks to me like L here, the length, is equal to 40 minus the 2 h's. Or first, the length plus the 2 h's equals 40, so the length is 40 minus the 2 h's. Well, that wasn't too hard. Now prove that the volume is h times 50 minus h times 40 minus 2h. Well, volume, first, what is volume? It's all the dimensions. It's this, the base times the height times the length. Well, we've got the height here. It's already just h. The length we just worked out, which is 40 minus 2h. Our only problem is the base. Well, here we have this b here, and then it repeats up here. b plus b is 2b. h plus h is 2h, and 2h plus 2b, what does it equal? Oh, it's a rectangle, so it equals 100 on the other side. Then we divide by, we subtract the 2h, we divide by 2, and we get b is 50 minus h. And that's it. That's where this 50, the base times the height times the length. So we got, that explains why that's the volume. Now the last thing, what do we do with this? For which value will the top of the box be maximum? How are we going to get maximum? Or sorry, for the volume of the box to be a maximum. What do? We've got to find the derivative of this volume equation and make it equal 0. So that's what they do. That's all they do. They take 50h minus h squared times 40 minus 2h. They multiply it out. They get this. Then they take the derivative. 3 times 2 is 6x squared. 2 times minus 140h. There it is. Now the problem with this is, well, these numbers are so nasty. Maybe you could reduce it a bit and put easier numbers into your calculator. But if you put these numbers in right away, you'll get 2 answers. It can't be this answer because it's not possible for the box. So the answer must be 8,8 centimeters. And there you go.